For this challenge, you are going to use Gemini to create a 30-second song. To begin with, when you open up Gemini, you're going to click Create Music, and you have 16 different styles to select from. I encourage you to listen to the style by clicking the small triangle plus.
I drop gems like a lyrical architect, conceal word up.
And decide if it's a style that you like.
Climax coming.
Oftentimes, if you want to hear the lyrics a little bit better, you might try the folk ballad or the a cappella folk style. Then down here, you're going to describe what you want. You're going to pick a style. So let's say I want the rap style, and then you're going to describe what you want your music to be. Your description does not need to be the lyrics, but just sort of the theme that you want the music to be for. I said, I'm teaching about the water cycle for second grade students. So before we start playing the song, let me point out a couple of things that you might note. Number one is I can download the song as a video with the cover art. That's really sort of worthless, but you could. You can also download it as an MP3, which is what I recommend. Also, when you go to play it, you'll see a little button up here that will show the subtitles, and the subtitles will show underneath it. This only works when you're in Gemini. If you download it as a movie, it won't show the subtitles. I wish it would, but it won't. So go ahead and play it. Let's hear a couple of seconds of my 30-second song about the water cycle.
Yo, check the lesson. Word up. I start as liquid, dripping from the faucet, catching sun rays, that's my heat, I can't exhaust it. Evaporation's the elevation, watch me rise, a misty ghost floating straight in.
So once again, I recommend that you come up, if you say, I like this, you click here, download it as an MP3, and it goes into your downloads folder. Now, to be able to submit this, it's important that you upload this to your Google Drive folder. And that Google Drive folder, I recommend that you set that entire folder so anything you place in that folder has already shared. Let's see how to do that. I'm going to create a folder to hold my shared files by going to New, Folder, name it, Shared Files, create it. Then I'm going to click on that file, come up to the little Share button or right-click to find this, and say, instead of restricted, anyone with the link can access files in there. It says anyone can be a viewer. Notice that it will put a little person's icon on there to represent that it's a shared files. I'll go ahead and open this up, select New, File Upload, and navigate over here to my water cycle MP3 file and open it up, and it will upload. It looks like this when it's uploaded. But now that file can be shared. To submit this for your assignment, you're just going to right-click on it, say Share, click Share again, or you can click on this little guy to say Share. And the important thing here is that you see that link that says Copy Link. Anyone with the link can view it. I'll go ahead and copy that link, and then I will use that to paste into my document for this challenge. One other advantage, this is like a bonus, but if you have it as an MP3, you can insert it into a Google slide presentation. And you do that by saying Insert. You come down to where it says Audio. You click Recent, and I find my water cycle and insert it in. It will put a little button that looks like a speaker. And when that button is open and you click on it and you select your formatting options, you have some audio playback options. You can have it hide the icon while it's playing. You can have it play automatically. It's really, you can test it by clicking the play button.
Yo, check the lesson. Word up.
So it's much nicer than just inserting the link to the file. You're actually inserting a play button that gives you some more control. So I hope you have a great time with this project. Be creative. Try different styles. You can insert one example or you can insert multiple examples. I can't wait to listen to the music you create.